So, AUP is one of the big institutions here in the Philippines. But if you look from outside in or even from above, you won't see like it's an institution. You won't see it like an institution or something. It's just full of trees and bush and scrubs, and yeah, it doesn't look like an institution unless you actually walk in or drive into the campus, and then you'll start seeing buildings. Otherwise, the school is like full of, there's just natural habitat, and they actually pride themselves having those awards, Philippines Natural Resource Award or something. So yeah, anyway, I am here in campus. It's 11, and the school recently announced that there's sightings of monkeys. And yeah, I know you will say, like, why is this grown man trying to look for monkeys? Well, my country doesn't have monkeys, and I haven't seen monkeys in natural habitat. I only see it like zoo and all those stuff. So they said that a family of monkey, is it a family or something? But yeah, a family of monkey have moved in, so they said not to disturb them and let them be, because that's what the school is trying to be, a natural habitat to wildlife and also plants. So wait, plants is wildlife, right? So anyway, yesterday I walked around the campus doing my nature walk thingy, and I come across this family of monkey. And so today I was trying to film it, but I ran out of battery on my phone. So today I actually decided I'm gonna go and see if the monkeys are still there, and maybe film it and try not to disturb them as the school announced. So yeah, I'm gonna go there, but first I have to do something first. It's the garlic nut. It's only 11 o'clock, so I'm just trying to go and see the monkey thing and then come back, probably watch frisbee and go home, get my boots, and then come back here for afternoon football. It has been raining like the whole week, so actually yesterday and today, beautiful sunny day, so it's a blessing. So hopefully, I think not hopefully, everyone will turn up to play, because the whole week we didn't play. I think 2 weeks straight we didn't play, so yeah, let's go see some monkeys. The heat is something else. Thank God I brought an umbrella with me. Anyway, we are here near the area where I saw the monkeys. So I'm just gonna walk slowly, not to cause any disturbance down there. So anyway, it's a beautiful day. You can see Taal Lake from here, at Laguna Lake from here. Yeah. There's Laguna Lake all the way down there. It's not that close. We are up in the mountain. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna walk down and see if the monkeys are still there. The school is somewhere there within those big trees there, but you can see that's the girls' dormitory area. So anyway, I'm going down behind the campus. On this side is the faculty houses. I saw the monkey right there, that white van there. So hopefully they're still there. Yeah. So I saw the monkey yesterday, right here. I don't think they are here anymore. Let me just look first. No, wait, let's get a shade. So yeah, yesterday I saw the monkeys. There. But apparently there's no sign of them. So I'm gonna walk down. There's a shortcut there. I'll try to take the shortcut in and see if we can find them. Or actually I'll fly my drone and see if I can locate them somewhere here, and then we go. Otherwise I'm probably gonna come back in the afternoon, like the same time like I saw them yesterday. So yeah, I cannot find the monkeys, so they're probably somewhere deep into this little creek and woods. So I'm probably gonna come back in the afternoon just to check if the monkey are still here. So I'm just gonna pack it up and then I'm gonna walk all the way down, trying to see if I can find the monkeys, because this is where they go through around this forest area around the school. So I might catch them somewhere. So they were eating this fruit here, is the rambutan fruit. So that's the rambutan there. So they were eating that when I saw them. So I'm just gonna look for rambutan tree and hopefully find them there. So I can hear like branch breaking, like swinging kind of. I hear them there. They are right there. I can see. Wait, I'll show you guys. There, you hear that? Yeah, they're just somewhere there. There's bamboo cracking over there. I bet they're just out there, sitting quietly and watching me from afar. This is their area. I hear the branches cracking, like swinging. Anyway, there's no hope. I think just only one that I kind of saw or heard, and that's it. So yeah, I'll come back next Saturday. Oh no, next Saturday is... Oh, I'll come back on Sunday, the next Sunday, and check on it again. I'm not gonna make it like the whole week thing. So yeah, today is Sunday, so next Sunday I'll come back and check. I wanna come like every week, but every afternoon, but I don't want to, because I have a thing going on also every week. So I'm gonna come back next Sunday and continue my search in this particular area. I think this is where they are the most because of the fruits. So yeah, I'll jump to next Sunday. Boom, it is Monday. Monday, 6th of October, and I'm heading down to look for monkeys. To complete my vlog on monkeys. But yeah, Saturday we played rugby from 3 p.m. till 10 p.m. at night, so I didn't manage to come and look for the monkeys. And then Sunday I got tired from the game, so I slept half of the day, and then went and watched the grand final, rugby league grand final. My team, we played against Team's team, and we come up on top, victorious, premiers. So yeah, the game starts around 4:30 and finish around 6, so I didn't manage. So today is Monday and I'm here. Hopefully we get a glimpse of the monkeys. Yes. Okay, the monkeys are here. We got them. I have to just walk slowly to see. Yes, the monkeys are here. I don't know if you guys can see, but right there. I'll try to zoom in to see first. Here. Oh, Mama. All right. Not here. Okay. They're right there. They saw me. Oh. Yeah, I should have hide. See bamboo. Oh man, come on. I scared them away, man. I was too close. Come on. At least one saw the face. Anyway, I'm just gonna go and hide and then come back and see. Walk slowly back. Because they're just out there on the bamboo and up on the tree. So yeah, we got the monkeys right there, all the way there. So I'm gonna fly my drone to see. It's there, you see? Right there. Let me try zoom from there. So yeah, those are the monkeys that I was talking about and trying to tell you guys about. So thankfully today we actually catch those monkey. There was like one that was like really alpha, trying to dominate territory and just come out of the branches and was like looking at me straight and then walk off into the branches. So yeah, trying to fly the drone, but I couldn't see them from above. Well, they are wild monkeys. They're not just gonna stand there and wave at the camera. So yeah, wild monkeys roaming the campus around. So see you on the next one.